right, dudes. Keep those fins inside the fish and hold on tight, 'cause you're ready, the fish is ready, and here we go!
Hold on a minute, are we at Thorpe Park? Doing a close season update. I'm excited, you know. I'm very excited. We'll see you when we're at Monks, I guess. RMC Thorpe Park 2020! So, we made it to Thorpe Park, well, not Thorpe Park. We were at Thorpe Park kind of at Thorpe Park. We are now, where are we, George?
We are at Monk's Walk.
Pretty sure we're, oh my god. I think this is it, mate.
Yeah, this is it.
Next time we'll see you, we'll probably be next to like a coaster or something.
Hola! I mean adios.
It's the arch nemesis.
RMC 2020 confirmed! We are now right by platform 15. And may we rest in peace, rest in peace. George, what have you got to say about Log Sleep?
Rest in peace, my brother, you will be sorely missed.
What's that then? Guys, new Thorpe Park public toilets 2020. So at the moment we haven't really got any like good construction stuff, but we've seen some brilliant views of Thorpe, so we are very, very happy right now. Wrong way. Like, this is literally just making me think of Fright Night. Probably my favourite event of the entire season. It was so good. Oh my god. There's a microwave there. Is that Go a slower Eurofighter by any chance? Jeez.
You go down there, there's picture legs down there, man, bit in the hand.
So Inferno Station is, there's major scaffolding on Inferno. It's the scaffolding on the corkscrew. Okay, there's scaffolding on the Nemesis Inferno corkscrew. Is that, yeah, no, that's the 0G.
That's the 0G.
Yeah, there's scaffolding on the 0G. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at that. I'm sorry, that is insane.
Oh my god.
Yeah, there is so much happening down here by Inferno. Like, the whole station has been like stripped down, as it seems. There's some.
Is that the actual boarding gates up there? Oh my god.
This is actually so cool. But there's the dummies there. Rubber Rapids. Here we go. Oh my god, it's a tree. Wait, is that a wooden tree?
Oh my god.
RMC 2020 confirmed. There's loads of rumber boats here. Like this.
Hello, so we are approximately 2/3 of the way down Monk's Walk and we've got some amazing views. So at the moment, I believe this is 2/3. We're just going up the Red Bridge. Look at Thomas with his little yellow coat. Pathetic. Look at him.
It's the arch nemesis.
Guys,
We have just discovered
BOUNCEZILLA V2.